That's not going to be good.
All right, so after checking out the pampering skin and hair spa products from Nutriganics, now we're going to learn how to make those fun towel shapes that you see when you go to spas and hotels. With us now, Courtship Callum Phillips of the Cardiff Hotel and Spa, and Berkeley Campbell, who is a level 3 graduate from Hart NTA. And
Well done, sir.
He works at the hotel. Morning to you both.
Morning.
Why is anything like this important? Do we even care when we come into the hotel room to see stuff like that?
It does. It brings the added effect for service, you know, for honeymoons, special occasions, anniversaries. You want something different. The regular bed.
Who doesn't want to go into
Yeah, you want to
see
something different. You know, women, you know, we're all flowers and hearts.
Yeah.
Flowers and hearts.
I notice, maybe I just don't go out enough, but most of them have this kind of shape.
Yes.
Most of them.
Yes.
Is that because that's the easiest one to do, or is there something special about that?
Yes, it is simple, but it represents love. If you do see that, then you know that it's for a special occasion. You know, you have your honeymooners coming in, you have your anniversaries persons coming in, so it's love.
Okay.
So if you're going to a single hotel and you see that, you feel so...
Yeah, you feel good. You feel good going in.
Yes.
So, Mas Berkeley, is you do all of this too? You learn, you were taught to do this?
Yes.
Eh? It's easy?
Yeah, 1, 2.
Okay, we're going to show you that it's 1 tree.
That's why they teach you to do it, guys.
We're going to make it 1 tree now. 1 tree.
All right, so you're going to tell us anything, or we just try a thing?
It's just try a skill. Try a skill.
No, but are you going to give us the... Are there you're going to show us anything?
Yes, ma'am, we're going to show you what to do.
So
we have the expert here. So which one pops out at you first? We do like to learn first.
Come now, Mas Berkeley, start with you.
Which one pops out at you? We can start that one
What
first.
is this?
That's a stingray.
That's a stingray.
I thought so.
Yes, this is the lovely teddy bear, the dove, and the heart.
Which one you want to learn?
I know what I'm going to do already.
No, you have to learn something and then you show us your powers after.
All right. What you going to do? What you going to teach us?
Let's learn this one.
All right.
This one.
All right, this one.
Hold on. So I must have a towel too?
Yes.
But you're going to need 2 towels for that.
But
so just one swan we want.
I want the one.
Maybe you can make
one.
you do one of the swans and never do one of the swans.
Yeah.
Yes, we're still going to need space.
Don't be intimidated. It's
I'm
quite
not
easy.
intimidated.
No, it's quite easy.
We don't have that problem.
And fun. It's fun. 1, 2.
So I always try to find a center first. Center of the towel first.
The center.
So you center it.
May I have a towel, please?
Yeah, you are dealing with it. Center it up.
Yeah.
Go down now, Berkeley, go down now, man. Berkeley, go down. Oh, so me have to go up on the floor with it?
That's where I was actually headed. But
Can
I
we
want
do?
to go on the floor with your towels.
Can we go on the floor with it?
What you can do, you can use the smaller ones.
No, me want to.
You want to try the big one?
All right, I'll use the smaller one.
No, just go, and then I'll do after. So
Wait,
find
no,
the center.
hold on. How are you?
If you find the center.
This way?
Yes.
Yeah, find the center.
So this is the center right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hold it.
Got it?
Yeah.
So use a thumb.
But don't I find the center already?
Yeah, so the center will be right there. So this is how you find the center.
Let me not find it already. Yeah, go on.
Okay, can we free up that table over there to get
Yes,
some
I'm trying to
space?
make some
Sure.
space.
Berkeley, let me take up my cup.
Go on, Berkeley, go on. Keep going, Berkeley.
All right.
We're running out of time.
All right, so
Yeah?
start from one edge.
Yeah?
And then roll it.
Yes.
Yeah?
Remove this.
Yes.
Don't remove that tomato now. Bringing it as close to the center as possible. So you see you change over?
No space.
Yeah, so you go like this again.
Okay.
Berkeley, me have that under control already. I'm sorry I can't do the thing now. I fix up that long time. I don't even need to know where the center is.
All right.
You get like a one-wing
It's like a
bird.
triangulated.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you have a center?
After me lost the center long time.
Put the finger in.
Oh, me get a one-wing bird.
Yes, and roll from the end. Come in.
And roll.
Yes.
So you see, tighten it from here.
Yes.
Yeah?
That's right. I'm going to help you with this end.
Then yeah. Pull it up.
After me see where Berkeley
Yeah,
don't
man.
want
Do it tightly. Do it tightly.
We try.
So this is the one of the swan. So you have to make your...
No, man, it's the
nose,
easiest
you
thing
know,
I've ever seen in my life.
find
Excuse me, please. Excuse me, please.
Hold it from there?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not a problem. Center
Okay.
is right.
What you do now?
Yeah.
We're going to come
There.
Oh, all the way?
Okay, you don't have to say a word to me. When I finish with this, I'm going to be a
There we go.
level
Is that
5
Thai bird?
graduate
Yes, there
from
we go.
Smile
That's
Jamaica.
to get the inside. Yes. Nice, you got it.
Then what I must do with him?
Flip him over.
Flip him over.
No, the other end.
I knew that. Which end? I wasn't watching you in Berkeley.
And then you go.
Then what me do when I got different from what you just show me?
Berkeley, how me look?
You're going good, man.
Thank you very much.
The message.
Berkeley, my broadcast, I know.
Want to that
Watch
bird.
it.
We're going to come in together.
Give my job down.
Just need a part.
I like that sound. They are coming in together.
Tightly? You do tightly?
I'm doing it quite tightly.
There we go.
Are coming in together
All the way.
all the way.
There we go.
Yeah.
And to get it straight, you do like this.
Love is in the air.
There we go.
Every
It's a very
time I
simple
look
thing.
around.
When I bend up the
simple.
fella, so.
Very
Yeah,
simple
man.
and pretty.
And just so.
All the way over.
Alright.
So.
Yeah.
And sit down for the fella.
You look like you're
Well,
wrestling more
that's
than
a
you're
single
making up.
swan, you know? A single swan. You're lonely swan that.
Jesus Christ, what is happening here?
So now you'll probably see why you represent a couple.
Oh my. Well,
So that's
what
it.
is that swan
So at
doing
the end,
exactly?
you just put the tops together like this and you get your lovely heart and flowers.
Look at that.
Two hearts.
Don't my swan look like a. It look like it's hungry.
That swan look like a snake tail.
What's the next? What?
Oh, there's more?
Yeah.
Alright. I go and make. I go and make one. You don't need to tell me
It
nothing.
has a special one.
You make something and I'm going to make something over
Them
here.
don't need to tell me nothing.
Let's see.
I am making.
You have to graduate today, you know.
Them not graduate already.
Certified today.
Certified already.
Certified.
Me certified already.
Mine don't need to fold up to make.
We're going to copyright this one, you know.
Yeah.
Never. What are you doing?
As a snake.
That's a snake.
Yeah,
A copyrighted a never snake.
I see your snake and raise you.
You have a stingray. Can
A
we?
sweater.
Okay.
See, we have it.
Simple thing.
It's a very simple thing.
easy was that?
And then if you just go so, I see the snake I move.
Never which snake you ever seen look like that?
Eh?
Huh?
Can you do a stingray?
Stingray, yes.
See the
Quick, quick.
stingray over there?
All right, come.
Two hearts.
No, man, I feel I'm supposed to be a level 4 graduate.
Space.
One line. This is very skilled, Archie.
This is something you can practice at home, you know, for the kids. It
Do
will be fun.
you do you have to do this? Do you have to do it in all the rooms, or you just do it if you?
No, not in all the
Not
rooms.
all the rooms.
For
Special
the
occasion.
special occasions, it adds to that, you know. So if you come in every room and see it, will take away from the other rooms. You know, for your special.
Well, you
time.
don't really know what in another room them, so you wouldn't know for sure.
Okay.
Stingray look like the easier one, Nev.
No, that me just do. I mean, learn from you know. And then just open it up. It's not a problem.
Who thinks of these? Who comes up with these things? No, sir.
It's been going in hotels a long time.
Here, you
see,
need
like
two
how
eyes.
Some,
Come,
like how
Berkeley.
some people have pets at home.
You need the eyes, Berkeley?
Yeah, and then when they go away, them kind of miss them pets. So you can make like a cat.
Yes, and you see the teddy bear.
You can make a
Where's the
cat.
teddy
Even
bear?
a monkey.
No,
We have a monkey. We have
Who
a
have
monkey
at them
already.
yard?
But Nev is already answered. Don't need no more monkey over here.
Me that likes you to make a cat.
Look, Never put some eyes on the stingray.
Well, there you go. And this is what?
That's his
tail.
tail.
That's the tail.
So
That's the
enough towel
stingray.
don't need.
So the eyes will probably go right here.
Oh,
And you
man.
have some that are more complicated than some, but these are the more
Stingray,
common
yeah.
ones.
The stingray, I them dog, and them chin.
I never claimed to be an expert.
All right, fantastic.
Impressive.
Fantastic.
Good job.
Level 3 graduate, a big thing. Dining room captain at the Cardiff Hotel and Spa, Culture
I
Column.
feel like we've got a good lesson this week.
He's not the host man in training. I just say he's a level 3 graduate.
Graduate.
The man not training to do not.
Yeah, he's
trained.
moving on to the next level.
Yeah.
His name is Berkeley Campbell. He'll soon be a level 4 graduate.
Yes,
And I am a level
absolutely.
5.
And then after level 4 is 5?
5.
And then what?
6.
The manager hotel.
All right.
All right, Berkeley. Manager
Go,
hotel.
Berkeley.
Chop on
Yes,
All right.
manager
Roll out
hotel.
when we come back. Thanks a lot for coming.
Thank you, President.
Yeah, man.
This stingray don't
Make
bite.
it swim now.
Sting.